In this first shocking Ring doorbell encounter, you'll see a lady confidently approach someone's mailbox, casually open it, and help herself to the contents inside. Her audacity and nonchalance are truly startling.
Yay! Good morning, it's a Kosovian super bitch here at the door. Yes, good morning, it's a Kosoviana super Hashim Tassi's granddaughter. I don't know if he knows me, but I know I am aware. He's not so Yugoslavian, he's not even Russian, he's not Cuban. So anyway, I'll tell him that I came to say thank you so much.
In this unsettling Ring doorbell encounter, a man is seen peeping through the window, seemingly scouting for a way to gain unauthorized access to the home. His furtive behavior and calculated movements are a chilling reminder of the need for security measures. In this tense and alarming Ring doorbell encounter, a determined burglar's repeated attempts to break into a house. In this disturbing Ring doorbell encounter, a man creeping around someone's property in the dead of night. The footage shows him moving stealthily, raising questions about his intentions. Whether he was scouting for a break-in or just engaging in suspicious behavior, his presence is unsettling. In this gripping Ring doorbell encounter, a man successfully gains entry into a house, but the homeowner intervenes swiftly to confront the intruder. In this perplexing Ring doorbell encounter, a man loitering right in front of someone's door, exhibiting erratic behavior, and even checking the cars parked nearby. His actions are unpredictable and serve as a reminder to always be cautious of unusual activities around your home. In this troubling Ring doorbell encounter, an individual attempting to gain unauthorized access to multiple homes. You'll see the person methodically checking door handles, looking for an easy way inside. In this disheartening Ring doorbell encounter, a man is seen inside an apartment building, damaging the Christmas flowers adorning a door and then breaking the glass before departing the scene.
Viewers, you can send your creepy footage to Creepy Chronicle and subscribe to our channel for more eyes-opening contents.
In this intense and dramatic Ring doorbell clip, while at work, a lady receives a notification that two men are attempting to break into her home. As the intruders approach, one of them notices the camera and decides to walk away. Watch closely as the homeowner, through the camera device, intervenes and takes swift action to protect her property.
Left.
In this heart-wrenching and deeply troubling Ring doorbell clip, during the night. In this footage, you'll see a woman approaching a house with her little boy, who appears to be around 2 years old. With seemingly poor intentions, she knocks on the door, then shockingly leaves the young boy at the stranger's doorstep and runs away. The distressed homeowner quickly involves the police, highlighting the urgency and gravity of the situation. In this puzzling and suspicious Ring doorbell clip, a man walks onto someone's porch and starts pretending to knock on the door, engaging in a fake conversation as if he's talking to someone inside. His strange behavior leaves us questioning his true intentions and what he hoped to achieve with this act.
Okay. Sorry about that. Sorry.
In this bizarre and unsettling Ring doorbell clip, a man is captured behaving erratically right in front of someone's door. His strange and unpredictable actions create an eerie and alarming scene. In this concerning and unsettling Ring doorbell clip, a man walks onto someone's property and attempts to steal one of the bikes parked outside the house. His stealthy movements and clear intent to take the bike.
Yeah, motherfucker.
Viewers, you can send your creepy footage to Creepy Chronicle and subscribe to our channel for more eyes-opening contents.
In this tense and curious Ring doorbell clip, a man walks onto someone's property and repeatedly rings the doorbell. The homeowner intervenes by asking him a few questions, trying to determine why he's there at such an unusual hour. Listen closely to his explanation.
Can I help you?
Is this 1002?
It is.
Okay, I was supposed to come here.
To do what?
For... I don't know.
You don't know.
Okay, never mind.
In this dramatic and eye-opening Ring doorbell clip, two men are seen attempting to break into a house. However, as soon as they hear the homeowner's voice coming through the doorbell speaker, the intruders flee in haste, making sure not to return.
Hello? Yo.
In this heartwarming yet intense Ring doorbell clip, a man is seen outside his home with his granddaughter when they suddenly encounter two dogs approaching them. Acting swiftly, the man ensures his granddaughter's safety before bravely scaring the dogs away. Watch as this Ring doorbell camera captures the protective instincts and courageous actions of a caring grandfather.
Hey! Go away! Hurry up, Judy. Go ahead. Go away. Go away. Go away. Go inside. Go inside. Get good. Go, go, go. Get inside. Go away. Come on, I got you.
Come see, Mama.
Go. Get.
Come see.
Go on.
I want to show Mama.
No, you get inside. Go on. Go, go, go. Go.
As we approach the end of this video, I just wanted to say, if you've enjoyed the thrills and chills, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair-raising content. Remember to leave a comment, share with your friends, and hit that like button to help spread the fear.